Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm sharing my winter emergency kit for in the car. This is one of my most shared posts on Pinterest. It's really easy and inexpensive to put together. Everything in it was purchased at Walmart. So if you want to see what's in this and how I put it together, stay tuned. It's coming up next. The first thing you're going to need is some kind of a container to put everything in. I keep mine on the back seat or the floor behind the driver's side. And this fits perfectly. And this is what I keep in my kit. A hat, a scarf, and some gloves. I actually got these on an after winter clearance. And I have a fleece blanket, and you can get these really inexpensively. And a Mylar emergency blanket. These will keep the warmth in and the cold out. A flashlight, and some glow sticks in case the batteries go out in the flashlight. A whistle, and this is to alert passerby in case they can't see your car. Hot hands and hot feet, because chances are you're not going to have any heat if you're stuck. A red bandana to tie outside your car. A knife. And you can tell how long this has been sitting in my car by the way it's discolored. But God forbid the seatbelt gets stuck. A first aid kit. It's something that you should have in your car anyway. And hard candy, power bars, something to keep your energy up. We also keep a universal cell phone charger in the glove compartment, just in case. And we always carry water with us. Anytime we go in the car, we always have something to drink with us. And that is my winter emergency kit. I've actually given this as a Christmas gift with a note that said, "This is one gift I hope you never have to use." But with the sub-zero temperatures that we've had this past week, I figured this was a good thing to share. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.